Adding Google Tag Manager code to your WordPress site allows you to manage and deploy marketing tags efficiently. Here's how to do it. Set up Google Tag Manager. Go to the Google Tag Manager website and sign in with your Google account. Create a new container for your website. Once created, Google Tag Manager provides two code snippets, one for the head section, another one for the body section. Copy both snippets. Add code to WordPress using a plugin. Install a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers or Google Tag Manager for WordPress. Go to Plugins, Add New, search, install and activate the plugin. Configure the plugin. For Insert Headers and Footers, paste the head code in the Scripts in Header box and the body code in the Scripts in Body box. Save your changes. For Google Tag Manager for WordPress, enter your GTM container ID in the plugin settings. Manual Edition. Go to Appearance, Theme File Editor. Edit the header.php file and paste the head snippet. Edit the footer.php file or add the body snippet via a hook.